From our Georgia Capitol newsroom, one of Governor Kemp's former political rivals is also talking about his decision to relax restrictions while COVID-19 cases are still on the rise in the state. Former gubernatorial candidate Stacey Abrams shares her thoughts on the plan with WSAV's Archith Seshadri.
Late to shut and early to open, Georgia now faces a litmus test.
I believe this is a dangerously incompetent decision that does not improve our economy. Bowling alleys will not save Georgia.
Former gubernatorial candidate Stacey Abrams says reopening too soon will cost lives.
We're a state that is the 8th largest state in the country. We have the 14th highest coronavirus infection rate and the 7th slowest testing rate.
Georgia's Governor Brian Kemp says he's relying on health data and just giving businesses an option to reopen and not a mandate.
Well, I can tell you, I don't give a damn about politics right now.
We're talking about the lowest wage workers who would have to put themselves in harm's way to do their jobs. I've never seen a long distance nail filing or a long distance tattoo. You cannot be in a salon from 6 feet away.
Somebody that has put their whole life into building a business, working in many of these places, that are at home going broke, worried about whether they can feed their children, make the mortgage payment.
For every infected individual, 2.5 to 3 people get infected.
The state's health department says another priority for Georgia now is contact tracing to ensure that those who have tested positive for the coronavirus are able to retrace and figure out who they came in contact with to slow the spread of the coronavirus.
People say, oh, we passed the peak, we're done. Well, no, we're not done. And it's no different than saying, oh, I'm going to go up Mount Everest. I got to the peak, I'm done. No, you still need to come down from the peak.
But Emory health experts say while transmissions have gone down, there's not a 14-day decline in Georgia just yet. Archith Seshadri, WSAV News 3 on your side.
On Monday, restaurants and theaters can reopen, but bars, nightclubs, and amusement parks must stay closed until the statewide shelter expires on April 30th. Now, the CDC predicts a second deadlier wave of the virus could hit during the next flu season later this year.